Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we were discussed about a blog detail page. So we can continue in this video blog detail page because we need to cover in this video like a related post. And after we can do like comments, and after we can sort out like a categories wise how we can show the product. And also in this video we can cover for the like a short description because of the look like not good, so we need to show here short description like admin side you can add, and here you can see so look like a good. This is an I think I need to cover in this video also. So let's sort out first like a related products. How to related products? So whatever category you are choose, so this category against you need to get the related product. Suppose here is a related this category, so we need to show for this category against whatever descending order product means a post we need to show. So let's start now step by step. Before we can start, you are new in the channel or in the series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy your script. You can see it's school management, human resource, personal portfolio, what blog website, whatever do you want to buy, you can buy it here. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, we need to open the PHPMyAdmin. So let's go to back again and we can make a query. So app http controller, inside you can see it home controller, and just scroll down. So here you can see it like a block detail. So we have already get like a category ID here inside. So simply you need to write a new function that popular, same like you can do it like a get related post. Just you can create a new function here, and here we need to pass block category ID. It is already there, and also you need to pass for this ID whatever post you open, because we don't want to show this post. So simply you can pass like a get blog.id. Okay, now you need to go to blog model. Blog model inside we need to create a new function models. Inside you can see it like blog models, and just scroll down. So here this is the get popular. Simply you can copy and paste bottom, and here you can change the function name. After you can provide it like a category ID and blog ID, because of we have passed two parameter, and here you can pass $category ID. Okay, now just you can make condition both. First is a like a block category ID against conditions like this, and second condition, sorry, here is a block ID not category ID, block ID. Second condition for this ID against conditions dollar blog ID, and here you can do it like a not is equal to, because of this ID we don't want to show these reasons. And here you can make limit like a 6 and leave it. Suppose you want to make more, so you can make a more. I just show 6 post is enough. Okay, now just go back again and refresh the page, so we can check error there cannot there, because of the query is done. You can see it here. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. So 100% not showing the errors. You can see it's working very well. Okay, now we need to show here data dynamic. Simply you can copy for this variable whatever you created, and just go to resources, views, blog, inside detail. It's just taking time opening, and after you can scroll down. So here you can see it like a related product. Here is a one article, second article, third article. So simply you can make here like a for each get related product as a related product. Means just you can make it like related post, not a get related post, not product. Okay, because I say many time product, sorry about that. Just post, and here you can do it like a and for each. Rest of thing we don't need, so just you can remove like a 3 4 there, so we don't want to need, just you can remove. Okay, now first of all we need to make image dynamic, and let's open the list file so we can do it very quick. We don't want to taking much time, so just go to list and you can copy one by one. First of all we need to copy the URLs, and here is a URL there, single.html. Just change, after just change the variable name. Same thing you can go back, after you can copy the image, copy paste here. Okay, and you can change also here the variable name. Now you can change also titles. So just copy paste and you can put here title because it look like good. Here also you can put titles, and after you need to change what single.html, just change to this is the a links and you can change here. Okay, next one we can put here zero comment because once comment develop, after we can put here dynamic. Let's go back again, and here is the dates. So here is the date showing, so just copy paste for this date and you can put it date here also. Okay, so now we need to show here is a category. So category we have there, so we are passing only one category, we don't need other categories. Just you can remove other thing and scroll up for the detail. We have already show here category, so simply you can do like this, get category. So just copy all thing and just scroll down, paste here. Here you can change to get blog to get category, means related. So other thing is working very well. After you can change this class name whatever you did here, and here you can end the class. Do you now no need bottom one? Okay, so I think it's dynamic done, but just make some condition. So condition wise works, so it's good. I want to take risk, so error generate. This is the reasons, but I know it's the same category name showing, but look like good. This reason we can leave it here category name. Okay, and this is the like commented code I don't like but it's taking time, so I don't want to remove. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check it's working not working. Simply I refresh the page, so taking few seconds. Suppose error there, so we can solve the error. Suppose error not there, so it's working. So here is a value variable name errors like a titles. So here we need to change to related. I think you already find out because you are watching the video, so you know here is the errors because of we ever not set the original variable name. Now just scroll down, so it's working very well. We have no issue. You can see two posts showing. Any post I clicks is going to inside. Here also date and here also showing the category name. So related product work, but we need to put another condition. Suppose related product not available, so we don't want to show. So simply you can put conditions like here. If is not empty, count. We can make count is not empty, so it's going to inside, otherwise going to else part, but here is no else part, so we don't want to show. Simple. Okay, because without condition we don't want to do. Just you can refresh, so no any errors. Means related product also done. We were showing 6 product, but right now is showing the 3, and here is a already slider, so automatic work. Okay, and here you can see it slider all the details what do you want to make, so you can do it your end. Okay, now we can work is a front side, because comment we can create a one video for the comment and I can show you how to work. So just go to back and we need to show here short description. Look like not good because showing the annoying. So let's log in as admin and we can add another field in admin side, admin dashboards, and after I'm going to block sections. Here is a block sections. So once you can go black section, just edit. So we need to pass here another short description. So whatever description you can pass, we need to show here. So look like good, because right now I don't think it's a good, and I think your side also not looking good. So just we need to create another field. So before we can create a field, we need to add new field inside a database table, like a blog.com, means a blog inside. Just go to blocks, click on the structures, and after you need to create a new column up before description, short descriptions. And here you can put like I think we can use tags. I know everybody using short description, so means short description. Okay, now I copy this name and I'm just going to admin side, app http admin. Here you can see like a block controller. So simply you can copy paste like a description, you can change this name. Okay, first we can sort out controller work, after we can sort out like a front work. So just you can do it like this. This is not difficulty, you can do it also, you know how to do. After you can go to back again to admins, inside you can see blogs, inside you can see add, and just copy for the description one and you can put it here, and you need to remove the editor words. Okay, and here you can change the class name. short description. Also I can make a required because we don't want to make without required, so just you can make a required. Same thing, copy paste inside edit one. So simply you can paste here, and here you can pass whatever data you have there, means inside database. So just you can put here. So admin side work is done. Like add time we have done, edit time we have done, also block control inside we have done is a save. Okay, so I'll just close, I don't to need now, and just go back again, and I just copy for this short description value, means the description value, and after I can put inside a short description and just press the enter. So is 100% work. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it is found. Okay, so same thing I can sort out like all the post because of the look like good these reasons. Okay, just press the enters. Now last one remaining, so I edit and I just put here like a few lines like this and just press enter. Okay, so this is the short description we did. Now we can go back again and we need to put here like a dynamic because look like good. So before we can put dynamic, we need to check our Mola themes. So how it's look before there, because of I have removed these regions. Okay, so here is the grid, block grid sidebar. This is the we have a copy. Like we need to show also this category name, also we need to show continue reading. So look like good, and like I think this is good after your decision, whatever you can think. Okay, so just go back again to block page. So in front side, just minimize and I click on the blocks. Inside you can see list, and here there. So I can make it spec element and I copy everything one by one. I don't want to go to back and open the code, so taking time. So this is the just copy, and here is a already there entry cat, just paste here. Okay, now we can copy also category name, just edits and copy, and you can put here. Let's go back again, refresh the page. After we can change to dynamic, so simply you can go back again, refresh the page. Now you can see it look like a good, before it's not look like good. So first we need to make this dynamic, after we can change the link here. So simply we can put same link here there, so we need to put here. Okay, and here we can show the short description, so just copy this one and you can put here short description. Let's go back again, we can check work not work. So 100% works because we have ads. You can see it's big ad this reason, you can add small, so small. Now we need to show here is a dynamic category, so just leave it in, other thing you can remove and you can put it here dynamic category name. So we have already did inside details, inside related products, so just copy all thing and paste here. Like here same there, get entry there, also link there, and here is the inverse there, so we can copy paste here in, so look like good. Okay, these reasons I think we need to put in outside like here. Now we can change to variable name to related to value. Without condition don't work, otherwise generate the error inside futures, so it is not good for you. So always make a condition, because third party data you can get, means third table data you can get, so always condition is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So see inboarding, and here is also condition. Suppose you can click here, so this is the category page not work, but we have done. And also is a page ignition there, I already show you in first video. Okay, and also this is the do you want to make dynamic, so you can go to here pages and you can see it like a blocks and you can edit, and here you can there you can type like a our block and just press enter, so you can change here is just changing the our block. So means it's working very well, we have no issue. Whatever description URL do you want to make dynamic, so is also is a URL possible. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So in this video I have explained related products, and we have also shot out like a professional way how we can show the titles. After you can continue reading, so you can see it. Next video I can show like a comment, and after another video I can create for the category. So our work is done for the block parts, and one video we can cover for this home page category, and home page I can cover both, and another video I can cover for the comments. Okay, I hope you can understand what I explained in this video, like a related product and short description how we can add in front side. Suppose do you have any question, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.